People often ask how they can update the firmware on their AirPods, and the short answer is that you can't. AirPods firmware updates are automatic, and there is no update button or a way to force an update. There are, however, a few things you can do to make sure your AirPods are able to download and install the latest firmware on them. And there's also a way to check your current firmware version. Apple doesn't officially share or document the exact trigger for AirPods firmware updates, but knowing these are over-the-air updates, they typically install when all of the following conditions are met. Your AirPods are in the case. The case has enough battery, or ideally it's charging. Your AirPods are near an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac that's connected to Wi-Fi, signed into the same Apple ID, and running a compatible OS version. Updates can take minutes or sometimes hours. This is one of those things where you're best off by leaving your stuff charging and connected overnight, and then you can check back the next day to see if updates were installed. To check your current firmware version, you can connect to the AirPods, and then go to the AirPods settings on your iPhone or other Apple device. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see your current firmware version. This section also contains a link to Apple's website, where you can see the latest firmware version for each type of AirPods. So that's AirPods firmware updates in a nutshell. Basically, this stuff is meant to be something that the end user never has to worry about. And your AirPods are really good at keeping things up to date automatically in the background. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.